morning, students. The next topic in permutations is how to find the permutations when some objects are identical in the given word. Right? The number of permutations of n objects with p of them are identical of type 1, q identical objects of type 2, r identical objects of type 3, and it is a cycle process. It will continue if identical objects are there. Then the number of permutations is equal to n factorial by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial. More are there, then you have to write in the denominator in the form of factorial. Right? Yes. Now exercise 3.4. So what is the first question? Find the number of permutations of letters in each of the following words. First is Divya, second is Shantaram, third represent, fourth combine, and fifth Bal Bharti. Okay, first two I will write and I will explain, and next three aap karo. ठीक है? Yeah, first one I am going to explain. The first one is Divya. If we observe, here there is no identical words, all are different words, D, I, V, Y, A. Therefore, number of permutations is equal to total how many are there? 5 letters are there. Therefore, 5 factorial, which is equal to 120 ways. The second one is Shantaram. Yes, H-A-N-T-A-R-A-M. Shantaram. So, total letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. Right. Yes, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. And remaining all letters are single letters. Therefore, number of permutations is equal to total number of the letters by identical letters. That is 3 A's are repeated. Therefore, it is 3 factorial, which is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial means 3 factorial cancelled. Now multiply and write the answer. Over? Right. The next one is given word is represent. R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Total number of letters? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. Number of R's कितने हैं? 1, 2. Right. Number of E's. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 are there. And the remaining P, S, N, T are the single letters. So, no need of writing the single letters. Therefore, total number of permutations equal to total how many letters are there? 9 are there, therefore can be done in 9 factorial, and 2 R's are there, so 2 factorial, 3 E's are there, therefore 3 factorial. Therefore simplify it, you will get the answer, right? So the next word is combine, B-I-N-E. This one you only do. And fifth one is Bal Bharati, B-A-L-B-H-A-R-A-T-I. Bal Bharati is the next word, right? If is there any repetition of the words, are identical means number of words repeated. That should be in denominator and total number of letters should be in the numerator. Got it? Yes. Now second problem. What is the second question? You have 2 identical books on English, 3 identical books on Hindi, and 4 identical books on mathematics. Find the number of distinct ways of arranging them on a shelf. Right? Total how many books are there? 2 English plus 3 Hindi plus 4 mathematics. Altogether 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 are there. Right? Total number of books is equal to 2 English books, 3 Hindi books, 4 maths books. Altogether 9 books are there, right? Therefore, total number of arrangements is equal to total books by identical books. 2 English, 2 factorial, 3 Hindi and 4 mathematics. Simplify it, you will get the answer. Simplification इनके लिए मैं बताती हूँ. 9 into the highest number in denominator is 4 factorial. Therefore 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial means 2 into 1, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 and 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancelled. 1 3, 1 2 and 1 6 cancelled. 2 ones, 2 fours. Therefore, what is the leftover term? That is 9 into 4 into 7 into 5. Now, find the product. That would be your answer. Right? These many ways we can arrange the given books in a shelf. Got it? समझ में आया? Yes. Third problem. A coin is tossed 8 times. In how many ways can we obtain? First one, 4 heads and 4 tails. Second one, at least 6 heads. Please concentrate. At least 6 heads. First case, 4 plus 4. 4 heads plus 4 tails आना चाहिए. And in second case, at least 6 heads आना चाहिए. And a coin is tossed 8 times. Or 8 coins are tossed one time. Both are similar. Coin is tossed 8 times. First case, 4 heads and 4 tails. तो आपने 8 times toss किया है, then number of arrangements can be, or number of permutations or arrangements, 8 factorial. 4 heads means 4 identical things, 4 factorial. 6 tails, 4 tails, that means again 4 identical objects. Therefore 4 heads and 4 tails means total is 8 factorial by identical Objects are 4 heads and 4 tails. So 4 factorial and 4 factorial. Therefore, the answer is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial cancelled. 4, 2, 8 cancelled, 3 ones, 3 twos cancelled. Therefore, 7 2s 14 and 14 5s 70. So, 70 ways are there to obtain 4 heads and 4 tails. The second one is at least 6 heads. What is the meaning of at least? At least means minimum 6 होना चाहिए और आपका tosses 8 है. So what are the possibilities here? Outcomes may be 6 heads, तो remaining 2 tails हो सकता है, right? Can be done in total is 8 factorial, 6 heads 1 group, 2 tails 1 group. This is A. The second one क्यों at least बताया गया है, तो 7 heads and 1 tail भी हो सकता है, and this can be done in how many ways? 8 factorial by 7 heads identical है और 1 is the tail. All 8 are heads हो सकता है, yes or no, right? So 8 heads भी हो सकता है. Only 8 times you are tossing the coin, therefore there is no tail. Therefore 8 heads can be done in total is 8 factorial and 8 are identical, therefore can be done in one way. Now total number of ways is equal to, in first case what we are getting, 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial, plus in second case 8 factorial by 7 factorial and in third case 1 factorial. तो ये हुआ है 8 into 7 by 2, 8 plus 1, right? 8 factorial means 8 into 7 factorial, 7 factorial and 7 factorial is cancelled. So only 8, 2 ones, 2 fours. So 4 sevens are 28 plus 8 plus 1, altogether 37 different ways you are getting at least 6 heads. Got it? The next question. A bag has 5 red, 4 blue and 4 green marbles. Marbles means गोल गोल होता है ना खेलने का वो. If all are drawn one by one and their colors are recorded, how many different arrangements can be found? 5 identicals, 4 identicals, 4 identicals are there. Altogether 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13 are there, right? So total marbles are 13. In that 5 red marbles, 4 blue marbles, 4 green marbles. Therefore, how many different arrangements can be found? So there are 5 red, 4 blue, 4 green marbles. Means total marbles 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13. Therefore, total number of permutations. Yes, Kritar? आ गया आंसर. Total 13, identical 5, 4, 4. Simplify it or let it be. Okay? Yeah. The next question is, find the number of ways of arranging letters of the word mathematical. How many of these arrangements have all vowels together? Given word is mathematical and they ask 2 questions. First question is find the number of ways of arranging the letters. The second question, how many of these arrangements have all vowels together, right? Two questions are given. Yeah, the word is math. The given word is mathematical. Total number of letters or total letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? In which M repeated how many times? Yes. M's are 2. Right? And A's. A's भी 2 है. 2 or 3? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 A's are there. A's are 3. And is there any letter repeated? Yes, T. T's are 2. Right? And the remaining are single letters. Therefore, required number of arrangements is equal to total 12 factorial and identical letters are 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So, this is the first question. Now, what is the second question they asked? How many of these arrangements have all vowels together? Right? So, now how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means total 5 vowels are there. In that, A is repeated 3 times and the next 2 vowels are E and I. Therefore, vowels are A, E, I. Right? 5 vowels are there. Total 5. And A's 3 hai. Therefore, only vowels can be arranged in how many ways? Therefore, number of arrangements is equal to 5 factorial by 3 factorial. Right? Now, we will consider all these vowels as one unit. Right? Why? Because the question is vowels together होना चाहिए. Therefore, A, E, I means among themselves we can arrange 5 factorial by 3 factorial. That is done. And now we consider this one as one unit. And the remaining letters कितने हैं? Total कितने letters? 12 are there. 12 में 5 आ गया है. तो remaining 7 are there. That is M, T, H, M, T, C, L. So, now what are the total number of letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, this can be done in how many ways? This can be arranged in total 8 factorial. 2 m's are there. So, 2 factorial and 2 t's are there. 2 factorial. Right? Now, altogether total arrangements कितने हुआ है? Therefore, total number of permutations is equal to all vowels together कितने आए हैं आपको? 5 factorial by 3 factorial and all the letters together कितने आए हैं vowels के साथ साथ? 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Therefore, what is the answer? 5 factorial into 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So, this is the answer. Right? टुडे यहीं पे ख़त्म करेंगे and tomorrow you will get PE period. All the best and complete the homework. Okay students? Right. Bye.